What's happening to the Nasdaq index and what should we expect for the next daily sessions? Behind the trade here, welcome back to my channel. As usual, this video is based on a 100% pure technical analysis approach and it is subtitled in more than 10 languages. So to give the opportunity to everybody in the world to benefit of its content. As usual, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and these are not financial advices. So do your own study, do your own due diligence before investing in this asset. So in order to see what should we expect in the next daily sessions, I would like to start first of all from the 4 hours chart. So as you probably have seen in my other video, if you haven't watched it, I would invite you to do that by clicking the link in the description. I thought about the possibility for a recovery, okay, of the stock. There is a big, important support here at around 14,000 points. Okay, so this support is a first support where the market reacted in the recent daily sessions. So we had a rebound here, and also another interesting thing is that we have kind of completed the first natural target of this channel here that was broken at around the 21st of January. So this target here, which is the height of the channel, was well respected. So the price reacted exactly at like the 13,700 points. So first natural target done. Okay, this is done. So it will not be so easy and so fast for the market to continue the downtrend, in my opinion. There will be the need to recover a little bit. I personally think that the very first support that the index will be facing is given by this upward trend line here, which is connecting the low of January 24th and the low of January 28th. So this first trend line will be the next support, in my opinion. This doesn't mean that the index will go now straight here to test it. It might rebound a bit and maybe try to test it later in the next daily sessions, in the next week. So we don't know, but we know that the first support, in addition to a horizontal support that we have at 13,900 or at like 14,000 points, is this trend line here. So we have first support is this one in purple, second support is this trend line here. Okay, so let's see how the market will react if it touches one of these two supports line. What I would like to also share with you is having a look at the weekly chart. Okay, I noticed that looking at the behavior of the index in the past years, we see that every time the index breaks the 50 moving average, which is the one in pink here. So it was broken here, was broken here, was broken here. So in 18, in March 20, and now in January 21. Every time this happened, actually it was not easy to stay below this 50 moving average in the weekly chart, and the prices always regained the moving average and jumped above it. Okay, it happened here, it happened here. And so even though the recent couple of weeks suggested that the Nasdaq is actually struggling in staying above the 50 moving average, I wouldn't be surprised if in the next weeks we might be able to stay and to regain that moving average, staying above it again, as it happened in the past. I'm not saying that this will happen, probably the exactly contrary will happen, we don't know, but I just wanted to make you aware of this historical behavior. So just to close with a summary, short sum up, this in black would be the first support line to be focusing on. The second one will be still the 14,000 points, because we have this structure here and this structure here and this here. So this will be not easy to be broken. And also take into consideration the weekly chart and its 50 moving average. So I wish you a great day, and I hope this video was helpful for you. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in my channel. Thank you very much.